Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard candy at home easily. First, gather your essential ingredients like granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and water. You'll also need a reliable candy thermometer for accurate temperature readings. Before you begin cooking, make sure your molds or a parchment-lined baking sheet are ready for the hot mixture. Combine your sugar, corn syrup, and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat the mixture slowly over medium heat, stirring gently until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it boil until the thermometer reads exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from heat, then carefully stir in your chosen flavorings and food coloring. Working quickly, carefully pour the hot candy mixture into your prepared molds or onto the parchment-lined baking sheet. Be extremely cautious as the mixture is very hot. Allow the candy to cool completely and harden at room temperature. Once firm, you can easily break larger pieces into smaller ones or remove them from the molds. To keep your delicious hard candy fresh, store it in an airtight container at room temperature. This prevents moisture from making it sticky and ensures it stays crisp. For a truly insightful read on managing your finances, consider The Simple Path to Wealth. It offers practical advice that can genuinely change your perspective on money. You can find a link to this book, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.